Hey, Melinda girl. You like that? It's so juicy. You like that juicy watermelon, girl? That cool watermelon?
That cool water.
The cool. Yeah, it's nice and cool for you. She like it. This is Melinda's mush pit, I guess, if you will. Alright, here you go, each. We got you some Chores. Got her some strawberries too.
That's nice.
Here, let her finish that. She got a lemon back there. She don't want no lemon. She got a bell pepper right there. She ain't eating that bell pepper.
No.
She ain't eating them onions. Somebody throw at them. See if she gravitates to some nuts. Hey, she coming all by the things. You got stuff to finish over there, girl. You gotta throw it to her. She's looking for some more. My bad. I accidentally hit her in the head. It's apple summit. She ain't really had fun. I got some nuts in here too. See if she gravitates to it. Oh, I got some purple cabbage. Let me see if she eat purple cabbage. Just do that purple cabbage. Don't want the purple cabbage, huh? You don't want the purple cabbage, huh?
Itchy.